Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is PhiL and I'm a boy who enjoys playing with makeup. And if this is your first time seeing me, sorry that this is one of my first videos you have to see, because this one was a disaster. As you're probably wondering, why is there purple all over your face, all over your fingers, and what's all with all these swatches? As I was filming this little halfway, I literally wanted to stop and quit and just scrap the video. But then I thought this would be a really funny video to upload to see how things went from great to a fucking disaster. So yeah, if you want to see how this disaster happened, then keep on watching. Alrighty, let's get started. So here is the palette. So this is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Vault palette. This is one of the 4 that are available. This one is the Bling Boss. So we'll be diving into this one. This one is the purple tone shade one. Let's open her up. Oh my goodness. Oh, it just came right out. It came wrapped up in this, and there is the palette. That's really beautiful. Let's see, the shades that I'm drawn to is Gem, which is the purple one. And then we have Berry Treasure. That one I'm definitely gravitated to as well. Alright, and so for this video, I dug deep all the way back into my highlighter drawer and pulled out this guy. This is Jaclyn Hill's collaboration with Becca. This one features her Champagne Pop highlighter. This came out a few years ago, and I thought it'd be appropriate to bring out, so I'm wearing Champagne Pop right now as a highlight. Okay, so for the base color, there isn't really like a base color, so I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 35B Color Burst palette. We're gonna take the shade Pale and put it all over the lid to set the MAC Painterly Paint Pod that I use as an eye primer. Alright, so for this look, what do I want to create? I kind of want to use the purple, but then I'm like, I kind of feel everyone's going to use the purple when they review. Oh my goodness. Okay, so while we're deciding, we're just going to go in with a transition shade, and we're going to go in with the shade Hush Hush. Alright, there we go. So this blended out really well. I'm really intrigued by this color, Cherry Treasure. Berry Treasure. That's just... Oh my Jesus on heaven. It's like a black with like purple duochrome in it. We're going to swatch the shade Mystic. This is another one I'm going into. This one isn't swatching as great as this one, but then again, I'm like that, so it could also be one. There we go. Okay, so I just swatched Mystic and Rockstar, which are the matte shades, and they both kind of looked like this at first, and it wasn't until I really dug into Mystic that I was able to get it to look like this. But both of them did end up looking like this. They're kind of getting patchy, but again, this is just a finger swatch. We're using brushes obviously is going to be a lot different. These 2 swatches here is actually pretty bad to me for like a Morphe palette. This is like really bad. Alright, but anyways, but we're going to keep on trucking. We're going to keep making it work. Okay, let's just put that purple all over my lid. Okay, so now we're going to go in with Gem and pack that all over the lid. Okay, not with this brush. We're going with this pack brush. I have clearly not cleaned since last filming it with it. But we're gonna go in with Gem. Okay, what the fuck? Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna go in with this brush because I think the fluffy brush was a little bit, it's really powdery, but I think it's just because of the brush that I was using. Okay, so I'm going in with like a flat brush that's kind of meant for like cream eyeshadow. So I'm using that to apply and it's working a lot better. But when I was using like my other brushes, it was not that great. To be honest, I don't like how this is turning out. Okay, look at this. As I do that, it's coming out so patchy. Okay, we're gonna go in with the shade Mystic. Oh my god, this is terrible. I don't know if you can see this, but every time I tap into it, there's so much like fallout. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. Alright, now we're going to take a smaller brush and kind of blend out Mystic and Gem all together. We're going to take this brush here, go back into Gem, even though I didn't like the way this brush was making the eyeshadow all powdery, but we're going to go back in and intensify it, which looks like it's working. Oh my god, there is fallout all over my face. Oh my god. That was not good. Oh my god. I'm literally... That's a look right there. Oh my god. Ugh. So I can't went in with the KKW Beauty to kind of go underneath to like hopefully take it out somehow, and I accidentally put it all over the palette. This video is going so horrible. Alright, so we're going with this brightening powder to semi try to save the look. I don't think it's gonna work, but you know, miracles happen. Oh no, this. Oh my god. Okay, so just for the sake of the video, we're just gonna scrap this whole side and just finish off with this side. I need a way to get this on my eyelid, but I'm kind of scared because not even the packer brush was really working that great. Okay, so we're gonna go and do this side. Let's just pack it on with our finger. Oh my god. Sometimes you just have to use your finger. Alright, so we're just going with my finger and then just putting the color on my lid. So this method of application with your finger should not be like, oh my god, that makes it palette terrible. Using your fingers is an okay thing. And I'm not gonna lie, it is applying really well. I'm gonna do it to this side just to help out with this side. So I think I'm gonna try to resurrect this side, but ultimately I'm just gonna focus on this side for the video. Next we're gonna go in with a blending brush. We're gonna go in with the shade Mystic, and just like the other side, we're gonna darken and blend out the outer of the purple. Alright, so we're just gonna blend this out. So I'm putting the shade Berry Treasure on the outer V of my lid, and literally the glitter in there is like falling out or like not showing up at all. So it's literally just a normal black eyeshadow that I'm applying. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the shade Purplish from the 35B Color Burst palette to smoke out underneath to try to save this look. This mirror sucks. I mean, it's not even suck, there just isn't enough. I don't get the whole view of me. Buy it. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, I should have done my makeup with this new phone dark eye. Okay, so now we're going to look at the shade Berry Treasure and connect the dark shadow with the bottom. I'm just going to go in with some black liner and waterline. I had eyeshadow on my fingers and I'm... Wow. This part of the video. So I'm going with this small little detail brush. I'm taking Gem and just detailing it over again so that it's a lot more pop. Trying to fix something here so that at least something looks good. Okay, next we're going to go into the shade Bling Bling, and I want to put that in my inner corner. Ooh, that's not that bad. You know what? As I've learned, just throw on a pair of lashes and everything will be covered. I wish I had huge drag lashes that I can just fly away with, away from this tutorial. Oh my god. I can't. It's just not happening. Focus on my lashes though. I don't want to glue them on, I just want to stick them on. Ugh, I just like stick them on. Holy shit, these don't even have glue on them and I managed to stick them on. Because the residue of the glue. Ooh, work. Oh my god, I literally am not putting glue on them, I'm just sticking them on my face. Oh, work! Oh, that's kind of gross though. As you think about it, that there's so much glue residue that would be able to just stick on my face. Alright guys, we're done with this tutorial. I'm done. I've had enough torture. This is by far the worst tutorial I've ever dealt with. This look is already a disaster. Let's just go full on and let's just put some purple highlighter on. This is the Jeffree Cosmetics Lavender Snow. Not saying that this highlighter is bad, but purple highlighter with purple eyeshadow. Let's just go on it. Literally in my head I'm thinking to myself, wow, it almost looks like snow was like on my cheekbone. Just like sitting on there. Ooh, hurt. Oh, that's a lot more subtle. Just that and my little hand. Alright, now let's talk about this disaster of a video. This palette. Let's take a look. See, there's already like a dent in the gems shade, and then these two shades, Mystic and Rockstar, like swatching them, like they go on great, but then when you try to do it, it's like chalky. Like look at that. It's literally rubbing off as I'm putting it on my hand. It's literally chalky. That's terrible. That's horrible. See, this isn't me fucking up because I'm stupid or can't do makeup. This palette is not that great. But yeah, I feel like to get gem to work, you either need to use your fingers or maybe even wet it. But that's such a drawback. I feel like Morphe is like a brand that's for people who are, you know, beginner friendly. And that for someone to know, oh, this product, I can only, you know, wet the brush or do my finger, that's not user friendly, that's not beginner friendly. Like Berry Treasure, it just goes on black. It doesn't, like there is a nice like duochrome to it, but you know, after you go in and swatch it, it's like all of the glitter is lost and gone. Let's swatch Sparks. I did not touch that color. That's not that bad. Look at this. This is after one use. Look at all the powder that's just like, that is so bad. Like, look, I didn't even use this shade. I just swatched it and it's like powder everywhere. And these are the shade swatches. Like, literally, not kidding you. And look at all these. Like, that is so bad. Terrible. That's so bad. Look, that's that shade. There's barely any glitter in it. Alright, so yeah, so my final thoughts on the palette, that it's a no for me. I would not recommend this to someone. At first, I look at this and then this, I thought that maybe it was my makeup skills. I don't think so. Sorry if any of you guys are offended that I did not like this palette. Sorry, as you can see, it just didn't work for me. If it works for you, awesome. I'm glad that a product that you spent your hard-earned money on worked for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed watching this disaster, then hit that like button down below. And if you enjoyed me, then if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And I try to upload videos every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that bell notification down below to be alerted every time I upload. If you wish to follow me outside of YouTube, my social media links will be linked down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and have an awesome day. Yeah, I realized that I didn't even set the face because